I'm about to give you 4 ways to make money in the fitness industry in 2020. Next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, man, this is near and dear to my heart because you know I got my fitness channel and Team BTFL and everything, so I really love this video content. I'm actually going to go over 4 ways that you can make money in the fitness industry in the year 2020, and actually beyond that year. You can make this money forever, but getting right into it, we're going to go into the number 1, well, the first way to make money from the fitness industry is YouTube. Alright, all you need to do is get a YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel based around whatever fitness niche you're in, whether it be weight loss, whether it be the whole keto, building muscle, whatever it is, supplement reviews, you name it, get you a YouTube channel. Now, of course, when you get with YouTube, you definitely want to get your channel monetized as soon as possible, but do not let that stop you, okay? Because you can make money in other ways than just getting ads on your videos, okay? If you're not familiar with how to get monetized, you do need 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, I will say, if you want a course that would teach you and show you how you can get this done, Jordan Mackey has a YouTube course out. I'll put a link in the description, and that can help you with getting your channel and getting subscribers and your channel monetized. But if you don't want to do all that, just getting started is all about creating content, right? Creating good content, and you can actually make money from getting sponsors and actually affiliate marketing. You could actually find products that other people have created, okay, and you could promote them on your own channel, okay? So you can even use the technique of saying, like, this video is brought to you by so and so, okay? All you need to do is buy a domain name, and you can get whatever your affiliate product is, you can get that forwarded to your affiliate link. So you can buy, hypothetically, weightlossformulanow.com, right? So you can buy that, and when people click on that, it'll go to your affiliate link to whatever you're promoting, okay? So you can get some really good commissions by doing that. So say when you're creating your fitness video, right, your videos, you can always say, hey, this video is brought to you by blah blah blah.com, or you can say at the end of the video, thanks for watching. If you're trying to lose weight, visit so-and-so.com. You can there's people making 6 figures a year using that method, not even worried about their YouTube channel being monetized. They don't care because they're making that money that way. So with YouTube, you can make money from getting monetized and the YouTube ads, right? And you can get sponsor deals, and you can actually do affiliate marketing, which is can be some great income. All right. The second way that you can make money from the fitness industry in 2020 is by being a Kindle book publisher. Okay, this is a free way to get started. You can, once again, whatever your niche is, you can actually write short books, Kindle books, and sell them on Amazon, anywhere from 99 cents to $9.99, for your books. And if you're really good and confident, you can sell it, books for more. But usually you want to stay in that range of 99 cents to $9.99. But think about it. Whatever niche you're in the fitness, think about how many books you can create. Short books. They only got to be long. How many books can you get published, right? Not only can you write them yourself if you're knowledgeable in what you're doing, which you should be, but you can even outsource that. You can get these books outsourced. If you have a little bit of money to spend, you can get them outsourced very, very cheaply, and you can just build up and be a big time fitness Kindle book publisher and get money every month. You get royalties. You get paid every month from Kindle. right. Now, the course that I use to help make me money is K Money Mastery. I'll put that link in the description if you're interested in being a fitness Kindle book publisher. And guys, this could be some serious money, because you can actually put affiliate links in your Kindle book. So not only can you earn royalties, you can earn a ton of money on the back end of your book sales. All right. So the third way that you can make some money in the fitness industry in the year 2020 is online coaching. All right, this, if you're in the fitness industry, I'm sure you've heard of this. Maybe you're not familiar with where to start. You see a lot of people selling courses on how to do it. Honestly, if you just want to jump into it, I would go to a website called Trainerize. All right, Trainerize is a platform that will allow you to create different workout routines, literally have them packaged up. It will allow you to actually even get your clients. And all you need to do is, once somebody joins your program, all you need to do is basically just hook them up with your package. And you can customize each packet per client, you know what I'm saying? But the whole thing with online coaching is to try to automate your fitness programs, automate them as much as you can, because the whole point of online coaching is to give the trainer more free time, help more people get more results without working as hard as you normally would have to do to go to a gym and do 1 hour sessions. You know what I'm saying? Some online coaches have 50 to 100 clients. Now think about doing one-on-one coaching, right? Like one-on-one, like you do 45-minute to hour sessions. There's who can have 50 clients, right? Or who can have 100 clients if you're doing one-on-one face-to-face training. This is the importance of online coaching. This allows you to free up a lot of time with people with your clients. So you can kind of create that however you want to, but I would start with Trainerize. Now, yes, there are a lot of like gurus out there that will show you how to do it. You got to pay for it, but they teach you the systems and they hold your hand. One guy you could look into is Brandon Carter. I know he sells a coaching course that's all about online coaching. So that's something you can look into. And maybe me and my sister might get into that one day. So we might mess with that one day as well. And the fourth way, guys, you can make money in the fitness industry in 2020 is network marketing, right? You might be like, what? Network marketing? I'm not doing that. I'm not asking family and friends for nothing. Not going to do it. No. Listen, there are so many different network marketing companies in the health and wealth fitness niche. There's tons of them out there. You can look into it. This is a great way to build a passive income. And think about it. You can get if you're a trainer or whatever, you can get other trainers to join your network marketing team and make you more money. You could even get clients of yours to join your team and help you make and build a passive income. And everybody can make money if you're with the right company. Now, one company, if you want to get started, is Genesity. Why I'm with Genesity is because they have great commissions, right? They have very, very good, high quality products in the health and fitness niche. So we have different products, whatever, but we have a keto product. And if you know anything about keto, you know that's super hot right now. And we have products in the CBD industry, and you should know CBD is a $1 billion industry right now, great for pain relief. So think about if you're a trainer or whatever, you can offer CBD, products to your clients or whatever. If they're having pain issues like that, problems sleeping and stuff, you can offer CBD. If they're into keto, we have a keto product that you can make a recurring income on every time they order. All right, we also have some beauty products, and that kind of goes with the health and fitness industry. So we have products that any person in the fitness industry could jump on and start promoting and building a team and start making money. We have it, we have it ready, right? So if network marketing is something that interests you, Genesity, the link, and you actually join my team, we'll be working together. I'll help you get started and build a team and help you figure out what to promote and how to promote it. Definitely check out the link below. And I can definitely get you started making that money with network marketing, guys. So what else I was gonna say? I'm trying to think. Yeah. With Genesity, the cool thing about Genesity is, you can get started for free. But if you do get started for free, your commissions are going to be lower than if you were a paid associate of Genesity. Now, it's only $39.95 or $39.99 a month to be able to have access to building your own team that you can have a limited amount of people on and promote whatever product you want to promote. So essentially, you can run your own fitness home business with Genesity for under $40 a month. That's all you have to pay to be an associate, right? Now, if you want to use the products, which is good, you know what I'm saying, so you can kind of know what you're promoting, you can try out the CBD. You can buy the keto supplement that we just came out with, and you can try it for yourself. You get the point, guys. You get the opportunities that I'm talking about. It's tons of them. All right. So I just gave you 4 different ways that you can make money in the fitness industry. All right. So pick and choose. Maybe you want to try a couple of them. I recommend that you start with one that I talked about, maybe 2, like the Kindle. Being a Kindle publisher and like Genesity, you can kind of do those together. The YouTube channel, you could do YouTube and promote your Genesity products on there as well. So you can actually pick one and get started, or you can kind of combine all of these methods and just really just go hard in 2020 and beyond. Build a business, create multiple streams of income, and you will be good to go. If you have any questions about any of these opportunities and you're like really serious about getting started, my phone number is actually in the description. You gotta look for it. You can shoot me a text or call, leave me a voicemail, I'll get back with you. But guys, like I always say in the videos, you ain't serious, you ain't ready to work, do not call me, right? But all of the links to K-Money Mastery, the YouTube course, Genesity, they're all underneath this video, guys. So really, you don't need me like that. You can start making money ASAP. All right. So comment, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because you see I'm bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1. If you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.